Hi everyone. Today we're going to clear up the difference between an agent and a subagent in real estate. And we're going to do it the exact way the real estate exam wants you to understand it. By the way, I'm Toni. I've been teaching real estate for the last 11 years. I'm state certified and have a master's degree in education. Okay, let's get started. In real estate, the principal is the client, which can be either the seller or the buyer. When a seller principal hires a real estate broker's firm to list their home, they are legally hiring the broker, not the individual sales associate. Even if the seller never meets the broker face-to-face, the broker is still the one who is officially employed and responsible. In practice, it's usually the sales associate who takes the listing and works directly with the seller. Let's take a second and let that sink in. So even if a sales associate takes the listing, the broker is still the agent of the seller. And here's why. Because any sponsored salesperson of that broker is legally considered an agent of the managing broker and as a result becomes a subagent of the principal. So even the sales associate who took the listing is still legally a subagent of the seller, not the primary agent. Let's now take a short quiz to be sure that you have this straight. 1. A seller signs a listing agreement with a brokerage firm. A sales associate employed by that firm takes the listing. Who is the seller's legal agent? A. The sales associate only. B. The managing broker. C. Both the broker and the sales associate equally. The correct answer is B, the managing broker. The seller legally hires the broker even though the sales agent took the listing. 2. What is the legal status of the sales associate who took the listing in relation to the seller? A, independent contractor. B, agent of the buyer. C, subagent of the seller. D, dual agent. The correct answer is C, subagent of the seller. Even the sales associate who took the listing is a subagent of the seller. 3. Why is a broker's sales associate considered a subagent of the principal? A. Because the associate was directly hired by the principal. B. Because the associate is an agent of the broker who represents the principal. C. Because the associate is paid by commission. D. Because the associate works with buyers. The correct answer is B, because the associate is an agent of the broker who represents the principal. Don't forget that the associate is an agent of the broker and the broker is an agent of the principal. 4. A seller hires a broker's office. She only ever speaks with one sales associate from that firm. What is that associate's legal relationship to the seller? A. No agency relationship exists. B. Independent contractor only. C. Subagent of the seller. D. Dual agent. The correct answer is C. Subagent of the seller. All sponsored salespersons of the broker are subagents of the broker's principals. That's it for today. If you found this video helpful, help me get it in front of others who may need it too by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Have a great day, everyone.